Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing. No, in this video, I will show you how to connect RØDE Wireless ME mic to my 14 Pro or less than 14 iPhone. You can very easily connect using lightning cable. Where I'm purchasing this lightning cable, the lightning cable comes in this box, and now I will show you how to connect and we will see which types of voice you are receiving after connecting this RØDE mic. So initially they are providing one transmitter and one receiver. So first of all, I will connect this one from transmitter, my lightning cable. So here C port is available, just simply connect. Receiver is connected, and now second port is a lightning cable. So here less than iPhone 14 or iPhone comes in lightning cable. So I connected this one. Now I will show you which types of voice you are receiving after connect this mic. So look at this. Currently you are receiving the voice with RØDE Wireless ME Pro mic voice, and definitely this voice clarity is a fantastic. If you are a YouTuber and you want looking some decent mic, so this is not so expensive, just only 12 to 13,000 INR or $125 price of this RØDE mic Pro ME. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.